Hello, food lovers. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we're whipping up a healthy and delicious broccoli and tuna salad that's perfect for lunch. This quick, protein-packed recipe is super easy, budget-friendly, and ready in just 15 minutes. Let's dive in and create a fresh, flavorful meal you'll love. Here's what you'll need for this vibrant salad: fresh broccoli, canned tuna, cherry tomatoes, red onion, feta cheese, roasted almonds, mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, lemon juice, white wine vinegar, and a pinch of salt and white pepper. Optional fresh parsley adds a lovely touch. Grab these pantry staples and let's get started. First, let's prep our broccoli. Wash 2 cups of fresh broccoli florets under cold water. Pat them dry, then pop them into a food processor. Pulse for about 5 seconds, roughly 5 times, until the broccoli looks like rice. This gives our salad a lovely texture and sneaks in those greens. If you don't have a food processor, finely chop the broccoli by hand. Transfer it to a large mixing bowl. Next, grab a 185-gram can of tuna in spring water. Drain it well to avoid a soggy salad. Using a fork, flake the tuna into bite-sized chunks and add it to your bowl with the broccoli. Tuna is packed with protein and omega-3s, making this salad super nutritious. I love using skipjack tuna for its mild flavor, but any canned tuna works. Now let's add some color and crunch. Halve 1 cup of cherry tomatoes for a burst of freshness. Finely dice a 1/4 cup of red onion for a slight zing. Use shallots if you prefer a milder flavor. Then toss in 2 tablespoons of chopped roasted almonds for that satisfying crunch. Add these to your bowl, along with a 1/4 cup of crumbled feta cheese for a tangy, creamy twist. Time for the dressing that ties it all together. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of white wine vinegar. Whisk until smooth. This dressing is creamy, tangy, and just a little spicy. Perfect for our salad. Pour it over the ingredients and give everything a gentle toss. Now season with a pinch of salt and white pepper to taste. Since canned tuna can be salty, go easy on the salt and adjust after tasting. Mix everything thoroughly to coat the ingredients in that delicious dressing. For a pop of color, sprinkle some chopped fresh parsley on top. Look at that vibrant bowl of goodness, ready in minutes and packed with flavor. Your broccoli and tuna salad is ready to enjoy. Serve it in a bowl for a light lunch, scoop it into lettuce cups for a low-carb option, or pair it with crackers for a snack. This salad is perfect for meal prep. Just store it in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 2 days. Fresh, healthy, and oh so tasty. Want to mix it up? Swap almonds for sunflower seeds or add chickpeas for extra protein. For a keto-friendly version, use avocado oil mayo. You can also toss in some diced cucumber or snow peas for more crunch. This recipe is so versatile, so make it your own. That's it for today's healthy broccoli and tuna salad recipe. I hope you're excited to try this quick and nutritious dish. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to the channel, like it, share your valuable comments, and share it in social groups, which will motivate us to deliver more delicious recipes. See you in the next video. Happy cooking!